Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sitaraka Safar, where we unravel the cosmic energies guiding your week. The stars, planets, and moon are aligning in unique ways to bring changes in your life, whether it's in your profession, relationships, or health. Each zodiac has a story this week, and we're here to uncover it for you. As we explore the upcoming week's predictions, keep in mind that these insights are based on your moon sign. So let's dive in and see what's ahead from the 21st of September onwards. Now we'll talk about Leo. Firstly, let's discuss your profession. With Mars in Gemini impacting your 10th house, you'll be driven to achieve your career goals. However, Saturn's retrograde could influence delays or obstacles. Focus on refining your strategies and avoid impulsive decisions. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo enhances your ability to communicate and present ideas. This is a favorable time for negotiations and creative projects. Be cautious of Neptune's influence on Tuesday, which may lead to confusion. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo emphasizes the importance of harmony in family relationships. Positive interactions are likely, but be aware of potential misunderstandings around Wednesday. Use this time for constructive family discussions. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter in Taurus brings opportunities for romance and personal growth. You might experience deepening connections or exciting new relationships. Engage in social activities to enhance your love life. Health wise, the sun's focus on your fourth house encourages you to prioritize physical well being. Consider activities like swimming or sports to maintain your health. Be mindful of overexertion and balance stress from work. Let's move on to Virgo. Firstly, we'll discuss your profession. Jupiter's placement in Taurus suggests potential for career growth and success. Opportunities may arise, particularly on Thursday when the moon aligns favorably. Be prepared for potential challenges, especially with negotiations or projects. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo boosts your communication skills and creativity. Use this to advance your professional goals. Avoid making hasty decisions on Tuesday due to Neptune's influence, which may cause confusion. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in your first house of self emphasizes personal relationships and family harmony. Positive interactions with parents and loved ones are likely. Be cautious of potential conflicts on Wednesday due to Mercury's alignment. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's influence enhances your romantic prospects. You may experience growth in relationships or meet someone new. Saturday is favorable for romance and socializing, but be mindful of misunderstandings. Health wise, with the sun highlighting your third house, focus on maintaining physical health. Engage in activities like walking or light sports. Balance is crucial, especially with potential work related stress impacting your well being. Let's move on to Libra. Firstly, we'll discuss about your profession. Jupiter in Taurus indicates opportunities for career advancement. Positive developments are likely, particularly on Thursday when the moon aligns favorably. However, be prepared for unexpected changes or challenges. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo enhances your communication and strategic planning. Use this period to advance projects or initiate new ideas. Be cautious of Neptune's influence on Tuesday, which may cause confusion in your professional dealings. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo brings a focus on family and home life. Positive interactions with parents and loved ones are likely. Address any issues or conflicts constructively, especially around Wednesday due to Mercury's aspects. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's placement boosts your romantic opportunities. Expect growth and positive developments in your relationships. Engage in social activities to enhance your love life and be open to new connections. Health wise, the sun's influence on your second house encourages maintaining physical well being. Engage in activities like swimming or sports to stay fit. Balance stress from work and personal life to avoid overexertion. Let's move on to Scorpio. Firstly, we'll discuss your profession. Jupiter's placement in your seventh house of partnerships indicates significant opportunities for growth through collaborations. You might find success in joint ventures or negotiations, however, be prepared for potential challenges or delays, particularly with authority figures, as Saturn's retrograde may bring some obstacles. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo supports your strategic thinking and communication skills, enhancing your ability to advance projects or negotiate deals. Use this time to solidify plans and articulate your ideas clearly. On Tuesday, Neptune's influence might create some confusion, so double check details to avoid misunderstandings. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo highlights a focus on home and family life. Positive interactions with parents and loved ones are likely, but watch for potential misunderstandings on Wednesday due to Mercury's alignment. This is a good time for constructive discussions and resolving any family issues. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's influence boosts your romantic prospects, bringing opportunities for growth and deeper connections. If you're in a relationship, expect positive developments. For singles, social activities may introduce you to someone special. Saturday offers a particularly favorable time for romance. Health wise, the sun's focus on your 12th house encourages you to address hidden stressors and prioritize self care. Engage in activities like swimming or sports to manage your energy levels efficiently. Balance is key, especially with potential stress from work or personal life affecting your well being. That wraps up this week's cosmic forecast. As the stars continue to shine their light on us, remember that your moon sign provides a unique perspective on how you navigate your week. Embrace the opportunities for growth, tackle any challenges with confidence, and stay tuned for more celestial insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how the stars are aligning in your life. Until next time, goodbye.